Hey everyone, it's Miss Scoop-Root. I'm back with a little mini viddy on multiplication math facts, practice and also division, practicing math facts and how to do that, and about the multiplication table. So as you can see up here, we have ways to practice math facts. This link is in your Google Classroom. So you're going to need to access this document to see what kinds of ways you'd like to practice your multiplication and division math facts. In sixth grade, we want to know zeros through 12. So if you already know 0 through 10, you're in great shape. You need to learn 11s and 12s. And if you don't know them or don't know them very well or kind of slow at them, or you have to kind of think and think and think, then these are all strategies, and this is one of your assignments for today, is to read through these strategies with your family and talk about what makes most sense, which ones are going to work for you. Now, we're also going to be talking about the one at the very top, make your own multiplication table. So you can see behind me here, I have stuck a sheet of paper on my whiteboard right there, and I'm going to get started making my own multiplication table. Now, you might say, well, I could Google one up, or there's one in the back of my book. And the answer is yes to all of those. All of those things are true. And I still am going to ask you to make your own multiplication table today. This is today's assignment. So find a piece of paper. The bigger, the better. So I have a giant one. If you also have a big piece of paper, great. If you don't, that's okay. Take the biggest piece of paper that you can find, and here we go. We're going to draw, first of all, we want 12 boxes. You don't have to put zeros on, but we do want 12. So we're going to go as close to one side as we can, as close to the other side as we can. There it is. You can hopefully see that. You can. And up here, we are going to put a line like that, and then we're going to cut it in half like that. Now, you might be saying to yourself, how many spaces do I need to cut it into? Well, we want a space for the 1 by 1s, so we need a place to write the numbers and write the numbers. So these are the number places right here, to write the numbers and to write the numbers. Now we need rows and columns to be able to figure out what those things multiplied by each other are. So let's start by saying, if we have a 1 here, whoa, that marker is a disaster, sorry. A 1 here and a 1 here, this box, 1 times 1, is 1. So now you're going to say, okay, well, we need half on this side, half on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So each of these big, large spaces, we need to cut into 6 pieces, because we need 6 over here and 6 over here. Well, I know 6 cut in half is 3. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this wide box and cut it in half, and this wide box and cut it in half. Am I done? Not yet. What's the next thing? I need to cut it in 3. Each of these has to be cut in 3. Remember, however many sections you need, you only need to make one less cut. So I need three sections, so I need to make 2 cuts. So I kind of look and try to sort of generally say about there and about there to make it as even as I can. There's 1, 2. Now I need to do the same thing here. Take that big section and make 2 cuts, so I have 3 sections. I try to make them as even as I can. I'm going to keep going, but you get the idea. So this is your assignment for today, to create your own multiplication chart. This is 2, and then this is going to be 2. Notice I'm missing something? I've got a lot of columns going, but I don't have enough rows going. So there's a row. There's a row. There's a row. Now I could either keep making my rows and columns. I can either keep making my rows and columns, or I can pause and start filling it in either way. So 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. See how I'm filling in this multiplication chart? I'm going to give you a close-up. There you go. So your assignment is to make your multiplication chart, take a picture of it with your camera on your computer, and then click that submit button on the assignment. You can email me or chat me if you have questions. Bye. Oh, your other assignment. Remember, talk about how you're going to practice math facts. Bye.